Spelling words, grade 2, unit 2, week 4. The first word is chop. What are the sounds you hear in chop? Ch, ah, p. Let's spell those sounds. Ch, spelled with a CH. Ch, ah, spelled with a O. Chop. P. Starts with a line up. Make a belly. Chop. Say the sounds again. Ch, up. Next word. Catch. Catch. Say the sounds. K, a, ch. And let's spell them. K. I use a C to spell the K sound. Always use a C unless you have to use a K. And you only use a K if the next letter is a E, I, or Y. So our next letter is K, A. That's an A. Oops. A, cat. So I have to use a C in front of an A. Catch. Now here we have the ch sound at the end of a word. At the end of a word, if it comes after a single short vowel, remember the short vowel sounds are a, I, a. If I have a ch after a single short vowel, I spell it with a TCH. Let's say the sounds. K, a, ch. Catch. Next word is shape. Shape. The triangle is a three-sided shape. What are the sounds? Sh, a, p. Shape. Let's spell the sounds. Sh, and that's spelled with a SH. Sh. Next sound. Sh, a, and I use an A to spell the A sound. Shape. Line down, trace it up. But we're not done. We have to do something to make the A say A. That's right. We put a silent E at the end, and it makes the A say A. Let's say the sounds again. Shape. Shape. Next word is trash. Trash. What are the sounds you hear? T, r, ash. And now I know some people say trash, but we have to think to say it clearly as trash with a T. And let's spell it. T, r, trash. Oh, there's that sh sound again. And I use the SH to spell the sh sound. So I use the SH to spell sh at the very beginning or the very end of a word. Let's say the sounds again. T, r, ash, trash. The next word is phone. I'm going to answer the phone. What are the sounds? F, own. Phone. Three sounds. Let's spell them. F. In this word, we use a PH to spell the F sound. F, O. I'm going to use the O. Phone. But I'm not done because that would say fawn. To make it say phone, to make the O say O, I put a silent final E. Phone. Let's say the sounds. F, own, and the E makes the O say O. Next word. That. That. That was an amazing job. That. What are the sounds? Th, a, t. Three sounds. Let's spell them. That. Th, spelled with a TH. Th, a, spelled with an A. That. T. Let's say the sounds again. Th, a, t. Good. I'm going to do thin next. Thin. What are the sounds? Th, I, thin. And thin, the sound is th, and I use a TH. Now, the TH has two sounds. Did you hear the difference? Say thin and that. They're slightly different sounds. Th, th. So in thin, we use the TH, but it's making the th sound. I, spelled with an I. Thin, spelled with an N. Let's say our sounds again. Thin, thin. Next word. Sting, sting. What are the sounds we hear? St, ing. Some people like to say ing all together and think of it as one sound. It's really a couple of sounds stuck together. But it doesn't matter which way you do it. Let's say the sounds. S, spelled with a S. St, spelled with a T. T, ing. And it kind of sounds like a ing, but it's really a I. But if you say ing and just remember it's a ing, that's fine. The sounds are st, ing. There we go. And the next word is bring. Bring and sting, they rhyme. Bring, b, r, ing. You can do it like that if you like. Let's spell them. B, line first. Trace it up and around. B, r, ing, I, and that sound happens way in the back of your throat. Spelled with an NG. Let's say it. B, r, ing. Good. Okay, next word. While. I can say, while we eat dinner, we should not play on our phones. While. The sounds w, I, o. While. And we go straight from the I to the l. Let's spell those sounds. While. W. And in this word, I use a WH to spell the w sound. W, I, spelled with the I. While. And then, what do I need? Right now it says will, and I want while. I need an E to make the I say I. Let's say the sounds again. W, I'll. Let's look at the unusual parts in these words here. Here we go. In the word chop, ch, op. I use the CH to spell the ch sound. Catch, k, atch. I use the TCH to spell the ch sound. Shape, sh, SH to spell the sh sound. Shape. And then I need, do it in red, I need an E to make the A say A. Do you see it there? Shape. Next word. Trash, t, r, and you have to remember that these are separate sounds. T, r, ash, SH to make the sh sound. Next word, phone. F, spelling that with a PH to spell f, own. And E makes the O say O. Next word, that. TH to spell the sound. At. Thin. TH to spell the sound. Thin. Sting. Sting. And the ing for the ing. Bring. Bring. There we go. While. And in this word, we're using a WH to spell the W sound. And then we have the E making the I say I. Let's look at our bonus words. bonus words. The word is place. Place. What are the sounds? P, l, a, s. Place. Let's spell the sounds. P, l, a, s. Oh, I'm going to use a C to say s. And then I have an E that makes the A say A, and it makes the C say S. Let's look at it. P, l, a, s. And I'm going to go ahead and just point out that unusual thing right now. That we have the E makes the A say A, and it makes the C say S. And that's kind of, you have to remember it's the C there. Next word, badge. What are the sounds we hear in badge? B, adge, badge. And how do we spell them? B, my mouth made a line, I write the line, trace it up, make the belly. B, a, 2 o'clock, up and around, drop it down. Badge. And do you remember this? That after a single short vowel, the A says a, we have to use a D, G, E to make the J sound. So we use a D, G, E after a single short vowel. Say the sounds again. B, a, J. And this part here is kind of tricky, using the D, G, E after a single short vowel. The word is seven. Seven. And it has 2 syllables. Seven. So let's think of it. Seven. Seven. 2 syllables. And the sounds we hear are s, v, sev, n. So let's do it. S, v, sev, n, n, sev, n. Say the sounds again. S, v, n, seven. Good. Next word. Isn't. Isn't. And it's kind of tricky. Isn't is what we say when we're trying to say is not. 2 separate words. Is not. And the spellings are is. It's a z sound, but we spell it with a s. Is not. Not. But if we want to say it quickly, we smash the words together. And this is what we do. We want to smash these together. And we say, is not. Oh, actually, we're going to say it even faster than that. Here's what we do. We get rid of this. Cut it out. And then we take this one and slide it all the way over there. And we say it even faster. Isn't. Isn't. And where we cut out that letter, we have to put a mark. That's kind of like a scar. You know, if you cut your finger, you might get a scar in your finger. That's the scar that shows where we cut out that letter. So the sounds are isn't, isn't. Say the sounds again. Isn't. And here's the tricky part. That we have the S is spelling the Z sound, isn't. And we have this apostrophe to show where we cut out the letter. Our last word here is early. Early. 2 syllables. Early. Let's say the sounds. Oh, just, that's it. That's the whole syllable is that sound. How do we spell it? In this word, we spell with a E, A, R. That's the in this word, The next syllable, li. The sounds are l, e. How do we spell them? L, e. The sound is e. We spell it with a y. We often use y to spell e at the end of a multi-syllable word. Multi-syllable means it's got 2 syllables or more, just like baby, happy, silly. Y says E at the end of a multi-syllable word. Let's say the sounds again. Spelled E-A-R, li, l-e. Now this part is tricky, that we're using the E-A-R to spell and then we're using the Y to spell E, early. And here's how I like to remember the If I have to wake up early, I set an alarm clock, and I want to use my ear. Do you see the word ear there? I want to use my ear to hear my alarm clock in order to wake up early. So the sounds are early. I spell the with a E-A-R. Okay, good job. That's all we have for this week.